Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about a new dropshipping platform, not AliExpress nor Alibaba. So if you want to find out, just tune in. We are back again with another exciting video. In this video, we will be talking about CJ Dropshipping. So if you are curious to start a business with CJ Dropshipping, you must have heard that the company is not a new one. So this platform started to compete way back in 2000. And what you may not know is that around 2015, the company became specifically great for dropshippers. So currently, CJ Dropshipping claims to have around 200 cooperated factories. Not only that, there are various things that you're gonna know in this CJ Dropshipping review. So believe it or not, this is something that every dropshipper like you might wanna explore. So here we go. So first, let's talk about the different features of CJ Dropshipping. The first feature is that CJ Dropshipping has a comparatively lower price. When it comes to CJ Dropshipping, it's somehow similar to AliExpress. Yes, the pricing of the products is low so that you can save some money for marketing as well. So probably that's why most of the new dropshippers go with CJ and AliExpress instead of Alibaba because of the comparatively lower price. The second feature is that it has a faster shipping. So CJ Dropshipping has a worldwide shipping facility. Even after having a worldwide range of shipping, the company provides fast shipping service with efficient post offices. So the average delivery time of the product in the US is about 8 days. So if we talk about domestic shipping, its speed is even much faster. Third feature is the quality control. So CJ Dropshipping is signed with more than 30 e-packet countries and various Chinese post offices. So 30 e-packet countries is comparatively high. So if you're shipping to the USA, it will take more than a week. In case you're shipping domestically, it may take 2 to 4 days. So the fourth feature is they have an impressive support. As we all know, customer support is one of the main features that a website or a company should have. So CJ Dropshipping consists of more than 55 people from China and the Philippines as well that are ready to answer your queries 24/7. So what I like also about the CJ Dropshipping support is that we can talk over WhatsApp or Skype. So that is an easier way to talk with a customer support agent. So after knowing these great features, I'm gonna walk you through the website. So we are now on the cjdropshipping.com platform. So as we can see, we have many things going on in here. You have here your account and the support center as well as on the lower left. So the first thing you should know about CJ Dropshipping is that dropshipping becomes easier with CJ Dropshipping because it collaborates with platforms that you are going to use. For example, your Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, Lazada, Shopee, etc. So you may find that on the authorization part on this one. So on the authorization, you can find here the different platforms that you are selling on. So you have here your Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, ShipStation, and many more. Now, the second one is the warehouses. So, it is also important to know about the warehouses of CJ Dropshipping. And CJ has many warehouses across the globe in locations like the United States, Thailand, China, Germany, Australia, Canada, India, Brazil, Russia, and many more. So, this is a very great feature. Why? Because since they have many warehouses around the globe or across the globe, it will prove that they have a faster shipping. Now, CJ Dropshipping also has a huge pool of product categories, and those categories you can find them on the left. So this one, so all categories, your computer and offices, bag and shoes, jewelries, home and garden, furniture, toys, men's clothing, phones, and accessories, and many more. So, with these great categories, you may find your niche. So, whatever niche you have, you may find a product from CJ Dropshipping. Now, below that, you can also find here the super deals. So, CJ Dropshipping has one extravagance offer named Super Deals. So, in Super Deals, products are available at a lower price than the general prices. So, time and again, all kinds of products come under this section. So, these offers sometimes can make you huge profits. So, you just have to watch these super deals so that when you have found your product, the right product for your niche, and then one day you have seen it on the super deals, then you can purchase it in a lower price. So that's a very great feature of the CJ Dropshipping. The second one below that is the trending products. So being a dropshipper, you don't want to miss on trending products. After all, it's a great way to track down such products that are already selling. So if you have been in the industry for a while, you might be aware of the fact that how profitable products or trending products get. So the company constantly updates the trending products page. So always look on these different sections so that you will not be able to lose or miss some products that sells well. You also have here the different sections like the new products, the hot selling categories, your global warehouses, videos. So videos of different products, which is a very great one for marketing. The print on demand, which is a very great niche. The recommended products, and some informations about CJ Dropshipping below. So you also have here the CJ Dropshipping partnership. So they have their partner network and affiliate programs. Now let's look into the shipping cost and delivery time of CJ Dropshipping. So if you want to know more about the shipping cost in different areas, you may always go in this section on the very bottom of cjdropshipping.com and go to the shipping cost and delivery time. In here, you will be able to calculate how many days and how much will be your shipping cost. So aside from these different great features, CJ Dropshipping also has an application. So CJ has an application which can be run on both iOS and Android. So with applications connecting with products, keeping track of products until delivery, sourcing requests, and putting orders in place is just one tap away. So that is a very great feature because having a mobile application is a great way to connect with your customers as well as your buyers. Because as we all know, most of people nowadays are using cell phones. So most buyers or partners use their phones to scroll on products, which is a very great one. So those are the features and a small walkthrough of CJ Dropshipping. So if you are interested on how to integrate CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store, I have another video for that. So you may click on the link on the description below, or you can also visit our YouTube channel. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of CJ Dropshipping. So the pros of CJ Dropshipping, number one, it has a good quality products at an affordable price so that you can make a good profit. That is for sure. Second one, print on demand thousands of products with your logo and brand name. Third, it doesn't matter in which niche you're doing business in because the platform is super versatile in that case. Number four, free US warehouse inventory. Number 5, with the collaboration of many post offices, CJ always ships on or before time. Sixth, efficient customer care service. Seventh is that there's a mobile app for iOS as well as Android users, which is a very great feature. Number 8, it utilizes secure payment methods. And number 9, its affiliate program makes it easy for you to even earn more. With that, of course, there's also a cons. And the first one is that the user interface complexity. So as we have seen, there are a lot going on the CJ Dropshipping platform. The second one is that there is a rare delay in automated receipt. Now the question is it reliable for dropshippers? The answer is, of course, CJ Dropshipping is a reliable option for dropshippers, but only for new dropshippers. So if you're a professional, you might want to go for something better like AliExpress or Alibaba. Now, the reason I mentioned Alibaba and AliExpress is because of the products they have. So they have a great variety and quality. On top of everything, you should know that Alibaba Group has dominated the market quite well in Southeast Asia. So that's everything about the CJ Dropshipping, the different features, a small walkthrough on the CJ Dropshipping platform, and the pros and cons. So I hope that you have learned something about CJ Dropshipping in this video. Now, if you want to know more about it, you can click on the link below for the part 2, which is the integration of Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. Now, I hope to see you on the next one or on the part 2, and thank you for watching this video. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!